How can perovskite solar cells cut solar energy costs? Imagine a future where solar panels are cheaper, lighter, and more efficient than ever before. That future might be closer thanks to a new type of solar technology called perovskite solar cells. These tiny devices are changing the game in renewable energy systems. They are made from a special kind of crystal structure called perovskite, which can be produced at low costs and in large quantities. This means they could be a lot cheaper to make than traditional silicon solar panels. Perovskite solar cells have shown they can convert sunlight into electricity at rates over 30% in labs. That is much higher than the average silicon panels, which usually convert about 22% of sunlight. When a solar cell is more efficient, you need fewer panels to generate the same amount of power. This cuts down on the space needed and reduces the costs for installation and supporting equipment. The materials used in perovskite cells are also less expensive and easier to get. Unlike silicon, which needs to be purified at very high temperatures, perovskites can be made using simple solutions at room temperature. This lowers the energy and material costs in manufacturing. Plus, the process can be done on flexible surfaces like plastic sheets, which are cheaper and lighter than traditional glass and metal frames. Manufacturing perovskite solar cells can be done with roll-to-roll printing, similar to how newspapers are printed. This method is fast, uses less energy, and can produce large amounts of solar panels quickly. As production scales up, the costs per unit drop even more, thanks to economies of scale. This means cheaper solar panels for everyone. Another way to boost efficiency is by stacking perovskite cells with silicon cells in tandem. This combination can push the total efficiency above 30%. Higher efficiency means more power from the same size panel, which lowers the cost of electricity over the panel's lifetime. Advances in materials have also made perovskite cells last longer and work better in different conditions. Better durability means fewer replacements and less maintenance, which saves money over time. Their lightweight and flexible nature can also reduce installation costs because they are easier to transport and install on various surfaces. In summary, perovskite solar cells can cut costs by being more efficient, cheaper to produce, and easier to install. These improvements make solar energy more affordable and accessible for everyone. As research continues, these cells could help bring down the overall cost of renewable energy systems worldwide.